Hello darlings, my name's Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in Cala De Villajoyosa, a beautiful residential area located in the municipality of Finestrat in the Valencian community and on the Costa Blanca. Right here I am on La Cala Finestrat's beach, which is not too far away from the apartments we'll be showing you today. It is a newly built construction featuring 52 apartments. And these apartments have an interior living space of 80 square meters and they offer 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Where they are located is perfect if you are wanting a second home close to the sea and recreation, or you're looking for an ideal rental return investment. So, right here in this beautiful sunny spot, let's begin the tour. As I come in through the front door entrance, through a security robust door, I'm coming into a light, bright and inviting entry. Right here by the front door, for ease and comfort, you have on one wall your air conditioning system, and on the other wall you will also have your intercom system. But it immediately brings you into a very inviting open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether this space offers 34 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.6 meters. As I'm stood in the kitchen, this is where I'm going to show you first. What I really like is that they have incorporated within the design of the kitchen, you have plenty of countertop space as well as cabinetry, and they've also mixed up the materials as well to give you a nice soft tone with the palettes and the colours that they've chosen. On this side you have your hidden built-in, which is your refrigerator and also your freezer. Next to that is the microwave and the oven. You also have your cooker with your extractor, cabinetry above all the way up to the ceiling and also below. On this side you have your kitchen sink, and also you have plenty of more cabinetry below, and also even here the dishwasher. All of the appliances that come with the properties are also Bosch, so that is great in terms of the quality of that, and they are included in the price. Here I am overlooking the dining space. The dining table is the central focus of the room and is set to dine 6. And also I like the way that it quite nicely leads to your open living area, giving you a really lovely space for a comfortable sized sofa, and also giving you fantastic access to the outdoor terrace. What I like about the design is they have incorporated high quality specifications, and these doors are no exception. They are double glazed and anti-glare, slide open, and also give you great harmonious use of your interior living space with your outdoor terrace. The terrace offers you an extra 16 square meters of living space, and when they have finished construction they will also be able to open out on the ground floor, especially to what will be your green communal areas and swimming pools. Taking you from the terrace now, I'm now going back into the main living area, and I'm going to show you the bedrooms. So taking you to the first bedroom. And the bedrooms are designed with a similar type of interior feel, light, modern, inviting and also reasonably spacious. The first bedroom is 10 square meters. What you have on one side is a window, and then on the other side you also have your integrated wardrobes. Coming out of this first bedroom, they have also got, through this doorway, your main bathroom. All of the bathrooms within the home come fully equipped. You have your illuminated mirror, all of your fixtures and fittings, and I really like how with these particular apartments you find that there is very little for one to have to do. Coming along the way now, I'm going to take you into the primary. And so the primary offers you 13 square meters. What I really like about it is that you have this wonderful nook that is separate for your sleeping area. As you can see, it does facilitate quite comfortably quite a large bed. And then it also has, as an addition, you have your walk-in dressing closet, which gives you additional storage. At the end of that, you also have a door that leads to a really lovely decorated and well-equipped ensuite bathroom. Walking with the sound of the sea in my ears. This is a really special time of year for us here in this region. As you might have guessed, the cooler months are coming to a close, the spring equinox is about to approach, and right across the world people are celebrating spring festivities of some description, whether it be the equinox, Ostara or other things. But for us here, today is Father's Day, and soon we will be approaching, coming towards the end of the month, the Easter season. What I really love about this special time is it's a time where the people that live here, the communities, get to enjoy these beautiful natural hotspots like this, but with the peace and tranquility that we get to appreciate that the tourists don't always get to see. What's lovely about this location as well is you get a real sense of where we are. La Cala Beach is literally on the other side of this incredible rock formation cliff right here on this side. But where I'm stood right here happens to be Benidorm, and that just goes to show how quickly you can actually be in two different locations and how close the proximity is between both. Isn't it just wonderful? The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €1,000 per year. The community fee is €50 per month, and the refuse is €180 per year. This construction, this newly built construction, comprises in total of 52 apartments. We featured today, as you saw, an apartment that would be on the ground floor, which has access to its own terrace and garden. However, they also do offer the penthouse, which does enable you to have an additional amount of terrace space. But that being said, the apartments are all identical in the sense that they all feature 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and give you between 80 and 85 square meters of interior living space. What I like about these apartments are they are of high quality and provide great specifications with a number of things that you already have included. So your electrical appliances are included along with your fitted kitchen. You have fully equipped bathrooms, electric shutters in the bedrooms, spotlighting for the interior and also the exterior, as well as hot and cold air conditioning, air filtration, aerothermy and much more. Also, another plus about these apartments are the location that they are actually in. Just 400 metres away from shopping centres, restaurants, cafes and bars, there is actually no need to use a car if you don't want to. And you are also less than 1 kilometre away from La Cala Finestrat's own beach, which is a beautiful place to spend and soak up your time in the days and afternoons and evenings. What's also great is within the actual urbanisation, residents have included within the price a parking space, the additional optional extra if you would like to have a storage room, and access to communal swimming pools, green relaxation zones and various other gymnasiums, etc. on site. This is a fantastic gated community that will be ready and finished sometime early summer next year in 2027. And so what's really nice about it is also, if you'd like to travel, it is very close to Alicante airport, just 45 kilometres away. What's interesting about this particular urbanisation for some that are looking is it not only gives you a great place to stay if you're wanting to consider it as a second home, but also offers great rental return. Being located where it is and also being a very, popular touristic spot, you can imagine you can get quite a good return, especially in high season. So if you like this listing and you'd like to know more, please come and check out our website with all of the additional information. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hit me in the comments if you want to know anything else. And also don't be afraid to get in touch if you are truly looking to buy your home here in the sun. In the meantime, I'll say bye for now, and it was lovely to see you. My name's Nikima, and I'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!